I will not approve of that kind of thing. It is irresponsible to throw money like that in public. It is against the laws of this land. I can get him arrested and prosecuted for financial crimes. Yes, I can do it.
Exactly. Huh? Huh? Is he the only person that has ever made money?
Oh, Yahoo money. There's nobody who makes his money legitimately, who spends it like that.
They said that is his friends that spend the money, not him.
Akoko, walk home primary school, call of Eh? Yes, tell children. Show me your friends, and I'll tell you who you are.
Huh? What kind of thing is this? Take a look at all those people that came there, all those men. Small boys. Huh? Do they look like people who suffer like us to make money? And I cannot see you throwing money in the air and you want us to clap for them.
So, my problem is that he is influencing the youth negatively. Eh? When they see this kind of spraying, they become something else, desperate and want to belong. And that's what leads them to Yahoo or money ritual. Influencing them very negatively. Eh? After who do you blame? No. Something has to be done urgently. In fact, I will do something urgently. A small boy like that, how can he be influencing the youth negatively? And the government was watching.
If only you remember here.
You go now.
Don't say. Adora, you are smart.
You mean you went to that burial just to pick money? A princess like you?
Mommy, I beg, forget about that princess matter. See money. In the next 10 years, can you and Dad give me this kind of money? Mama, beg, I want to cancel my money. I'm very happy. Let me cancel my money. Mommy, who knows? I might become a billionaire overnight.
Billionaire? Over people's money?
The money you and Dad are boasting about, is it your money? You think I don't know? Dad sold the community land and properties. Mommy, please, oh. Hey!
Just shut up your dirty mouth, you rebellious child.
When someone speaks the truth, they become a rebellious child. But no problem. Mommy, if you want to can't. If you want to go, go. But remember, if you don't can't, nothing for you. Eh? As I'm here, I feel like I'm on top of the world. Hey!
Nothing for me.
Money!
Let me hold on.
Hide.
Shoot.
Mommy. Bust my head! Mommy, see money. See money. My hand is paining me. I cannot count again, no.
You really look like your mother.
Take it easy. To be a king is not a do. Chifakukalia, guy man. Take it easy. To be a king is not a do. Chifakukalia, Chifuania. Take it easy. To be a king is not a do.
Adora, what is this nonsense I hear about you picking money at the funeral yesterday?
Me? Adora, pick money. That's not possible.
You stop lying before I deal with you.
I didn't do anything of such.
Who is this?
Okay. Daddy, it's just an harmless phone.
What kind of stupid harmless phone is it? Huh? How could you reduce yourself to such level? A princess? Don't you know this could cost me the throne? Do you know the source of the money you picked? You don't know that's how all these devilish small boys use girls like you for rituals?
I'm sorry, Daddy. I didn't mean to offend you.
Now go and bring the money. All of it.
Daddy, there's no money. Oh. I gave out all the money to some less privileged kids I saw at the ceremony. I didn't come back with any money. Oh.
Liar. If I don't get that money, else...
Calm down, sweetheart. Calm down. She did not come back with any money. Believe me. In fact, that was what I was discussing with her before you called. Do you know one woman called me, telling me what our daughter did for her own child? Our daughter gave her child 3,000 naira at the funeral.
Yes, Daddy, yes. I gave out all the money. Hey, Daddy, I saw some young boys, your village young boys. They were dancing around with some masquerade. They started entertaining me. I just enjoyed it and I started giving them the money. It's good to give, Daddy.
Very good to give.
Next time you try to disgrace me in public, I will first of all disgrace you from the house. Get out away from here. Like mother, like daughter. Unucherambo Mugu.
Take it easy. To be a king is not a
Senior, my name is Alberto, and over here is my younger brother, Frank, and that's my friend TIGANA. We are your brothers from this town. We admire you a lot and the progress you've made in business. Your name is everywhere, spreading faster than wildfire. We have come to you to ask for a favor. You know, other people come to you for money, but we are not here for money
At all.
We are here for you to show us the way, how to make big money like you. That's why we are here, Senior. So we want you to help us.
Okay. We're from the same place, same town. Makes us brothers. The way I know is very simple. Identify your strength. Find what you're good at and keep doing it. Focus on it, right? Don't give up. Most of all, be good to people and believe in God. Your time will come.
Senior, that's true. But as a matter of fact, we've identified our strengths. But it's not really working the way we expected. Most time when a deal is about to mature, then but that will suddenly become wise and won't pay. Sometimes the EFCC and police disturb the flow of our business. So that's why I've come for you to help us as a senior man in the field.
Oh yes, senior man. Last month, they raided our camp and seized all our phones and laptops. We paid through our nose to get those things back.
Exactly. They even flashed our phones before giving them back to us. So that's why we are here. That's why we are here for you to show us how to protect ourselves. Can you blow the hook again?
I've listened to you, and I think I understand where you people are coming from. I understand what you want me to do for you, and I now know what you do for a living. Yahoo.
Yeah, it's open now. I job if you go. If I did that, go.
You know, as a matter of fact, that's the trendy business now.
Yes. It's trending, huh?
Go.
But it's fraud, actually. It's 419. Sometimes you people make it look like it's legit business and give it all sorts of funny names, but it's fraud. Fraud is fraud. It's 419. It's fraud. It will be good for you people to listen to me. I took my time to listen to you. You're my brothers, my younger brothers. So please listen. I don't do fraud. Yes, I'm not into Yahoo. I'm not into any kind of business that will attract the attention of the police or the EFCC. No, I'm not. I own TIGANA Group of companies, TIGANA Hotels, TIGANA Clubs. We have branches in Port Harcourt, Abuja, and Lagos. I'm also into importation of goods. I import different goods and sell. And I'm into wines as well, exotic wines. I'm into different businesses, but all of them are legit. All my businesses are legit. I don't do things that will make the police come after me or EFCC. I don't do rituals. And I'll tell you, when you people go to do these things, you do, rituals and all that, ask the native doctors, ask them why are they poor? Their children should be richer than all of you, but It's never like that. It means those things don't work. Right? So that's what I do. Like I said before, identify your strength. Focus on it. Keep doing it. Keep working hard. Believe in God and keep helping people. Your time will come.
A big alanga. I know you can still help us. Because I see from 0.0 to 0.75. At least I Solomon name we know you can at least help us.
Odogu blog I name.
Oh yes.
Well, I'm willing to help you people. Like you said, you're my brothers. And if you know me very well, you know that I help people for a living. You know, I believe in raising others. That's me. But you must be ready to serve. I served my boss for 7 years. Then I learned the business. So you want to be with me, you must be ready to serve. And be ready to do legit business. Like I said, clean business. Then again, my company will be recruiting. Yes, we have vacancy for jobs. So if you're ready, send in your CVs. We have spaces for marketing managers and all that. So, in fact, now you've met me. It means that once your qualification is intact, you have the jobs.
Senior, from all indication, you are trying to hide your identity from us. We know you, Manezo. You might understanding by and passing by the emotion. Cha do it. Dorime, I block on money for civil servants. Manezo, you need to go application to do Kariki. Okay, but do Muki Jiego can fake off to Pasiego. Dobutia and Ifana. The only tree that form evil forest. Only single tree that form the
I'm calling to report a crime to your commission. Did you see what this young man, TIGANA, did in my town recently? Why is he not arrested by now? His money is legitimate? Says who? Who investigated it? Your chairman was present at the event? Really? Then I don't have need to talk to you. Thank you. Chinekeme, the head of a crime-fighting agency, attending an occasion organized by a criminal? This country, this country is finished. This country is finished. Given the position. Yeah. Feel good, you go everywhere.
Take it easy.
Small boy.
Take it easy.
Aba. No.
Oh no.
Chenduka.
From the look of things, the issue of making Akokalia Digwe must be reconsidered.
I've been thinking so too, but the question is, who will do it? Akokalia has bought over all our elders. So, if the matter comes to a vote, who will vote against Akokalia? Besides you and I and Okafu, who else?
Don't be too sure. From what Nemeka has done and is still doing for our community, no right-thinking person would consider Akokalia for Igwe. Akokalia has clearly shown that he is just a Shylock, trying to milk our people dry. He is not yet Igwe, but he is annexing our community land. So what happens if he becomes one? Oh no, your guess is as good as mine.
Look, this matter is on the lips of everybody in this community. But the question is, how do we approach it? How? How do you prevent Akokalia from becoming the Igwe? It looks very difficult to me, if not impossible.
It is not impossible. The only foreseeable problem is if Nameka will even accept or be interested in becoming the Igwe. Besides, he is not married.
The issue of marriage to me is not a major hindrance. Yes, our tradition does not specify that an Igwe designate must be married, although it is better that he is.
You are correct. You are correct. So the major challenge
is if Nemeka will even accept to be Igwe. Right. It's a major one.
It's a major challenge.
That young man seems to like you a lot.
You can say that again. He respects me a lot. I tried so much to defend him and his mother when late Ibekwe was maltreating them and eventually sent them away.
That explains it. That really explains it. I know they went through so much trauma. So, why don't you talk to Nemeka about this matter? Yes. Why don't you go to Lagos, sit him down and explain this matter to him, that we need him as our Igwe. Explain the implication of having Akokalia as our Igwe. Let us save our community from future disaster by getting Akokalia out of the way. And the only option we have is that young man, Nemeka. Don't worry. I will provide the logistics for the trip. And I will stand by you every step of the way. But you know, by virtue of my position as they know, I cannot come out in the open. I'm supposed to be neutral. Think about it. We can do it. We can save this community from future disaster by getting Akokalia out of the way. Nemeka seems to be the only one.
Take it easy. To be a king is not a do. Chief Akokalia, guy man. Take it easy.
Alright, Daddy, I'll see you later.
Where are you going to?
Daddy, I'm going out. I want to chill with my friends.
Get back inside.
Daddy, why? I just want to hang out with my friends. I'm spending my money. It's not like I'm asking you for money.
Get back inside.
Daddy, I want to hang out with my friends.
Call them and tell them Daddy says you should be indoor.
Oh, Daddy, I want to hang out with my friends, Daddy.
Where you're dressed. You are in polythene bag.
Daddy, you know you're an old man. I'm younger. I need to look good. You know I'm your princess, Daddy. So I'll see you later, Daddy. I have to look good for you, Daddy. See you later. I love you, Daddy.
You're welcome, my elder.
Thank you, Nemeka.
So good to have you in my office.
Happy to see you again after the last time you visited.
Oh, it was wonderful.
Thank you, our worthy and illustrious son. We will go straight to the point because I know you don't have the luxury of time. Our people are about to make Chief Akokalia the Igwe. And if that happens, Nemeka, we are done for. We are done for. Akokalia is a wicked man. He wants to use the position of the Igwe to oppress and subdue our people rather than uplift our people. No has to come with me. Because our people say that the snake seen by one person easily becomes a python.
That's why I had to. In spite of the fact that by virtue of my office, I'm supposed to be neutral on such matters. But this is very important to us. That's why I volunteered to come along with him.
I've heard about Akukalia, Chief Akukalia. Yes, I've heard about him. And I'm just wondering what can be done about the situation. But you people are the elders, kingmakers, stakeholders. Can't you refuse making him king and choose someone else who is worthy?
That's exactly why we are here.
Good, good. So such a man shouldn't be king. At all. A greedy man, no. I don't support him. Show me any man you feel is worthy. A good man who has leadership qualities, who will lead the people right. So I'll give him my support. I promise.
The good news is that we have chosen someone else.
Oh, great. So who is it?
That new person whom we consider to be worthy to be the Igwe of Umudim. That person is seated right here with us.
In this, my office?
Yes.
You should have told me that Nduka is the new king. You should have told me.
Nemeka. That somebody else we have chosen is none other than you.
Of course.
Yes. You, Nemeka Maduka, is our chosen candidate.
Me?
Yes.
You must be joking.
Joking? How can we come all the way from Alibo to Lagos to joke? Nemeka, I balaguna sa milnasa chologi biana Lagos. You see that we are joking. We are not joking. We are serious.
Oh God. Nemeka, listen to me. We have the consent of the most worthy of Ndichie and the elders to consult you on this matter. And the understanding is that the moment you say yes, Chief Akukalia ceases to be a candidate for the position of Igwe. Take this very seriously.
Unfortunately, I say no. Sorry to disappoint you, but I say no. It's not my thing. Find someone else. A good man. Someone who has, the knowledge of how these things work. A good man with leadership qualities. Someone who resides in the village and understands the workings. Point at that person and say, this is the man. I'll support him. Believe me, I will. But for me, no. Come on. God has blessed me with, talent for business. He's given me the grace for what I'm doing. And that's what I want to keep doing. I don't want to confuse myself with something I know nothing about. So from my side, I say no.
Hey, don't give us a wrong no now. At least rethink. Hey, no. Where are they?
Where are the rest of the parents? Where are they? Where is Ketaka? Ketaka! I know you'll be the last person to come outside. I know you must be the last person to come outside. Anyway, I just wanted to make this very clear to you. As you can see, this very house has been converted to hotel and club. You can see very clear. You have only 2 weeks, in fact 1 week, to vacate, to pack your dirty things, poverty, wretched life out of my house. Let me make a proper usage of my investment. Caretaker, do you have anything to say?
Yes, no, of course. I'm the caretaker of this house. At least you would have notified us now. At least 3 months notice.
Even 4 months.
What's all this now? What kind of intimidation?
What of 1 year?
I am sorry. Please, I made a mistake. Next time, I will give you 1 year. 1 year to pack your life out of my house because my papa built house for me. Now papa built house for me. Do you know how much a bag of cement is cost? Go on.
Anybody that want to stay should be paying daily lodging.
Correct, manager. I believe you. Listen. I wanted to give you this grace. Even if you are still owing me, you can still go with it. I don't need it. I'm dealing on ego doleme.
Why don't?
I don't mean civil servant. So all of you are poor, wretched civil servants. I can only help you if you want to lodge. You can be paying daily instead of rent. From now henceforth, it's no longer rent. Yeah, hotel lodging. That's what you'll be paying. Okay.
I am the new manager. Tell them.
Sorry, I almost forgot. From now henceforth, he's my manager. Yes. You are not. You see, caretaker. You have no mouth. You have nothing to say in this very case. Now henceforth, he's now the manager. From today, he'll be taking care of everything concerning these premises.
Landlord. Before I don't come with the maybe you the only person where don't build that for this premises. What kind of nonsense is this?
Don't mind them. Anyways, I do not have time to waste with wretched, poor, fool, useless, and lazy youth like you. If you fail to comply to this notice, I will have no option than to arrest you with the police.
We are not afraid of anybody. Even if people are afraid, I'm not afraid though.
What kind of
nonsense? Go ahead and arrest us.
Don't worry. Let me call the DPO. What kind of landlord is this? Let me call the DPO.
Make it go. I'm not afraid of any police. Hello. Nonsense.
Hello. DPO. Yeah, now your boy the talk, sir. Please come to that my friend's house with your squad. Mr. Batos. Come to his house. And if they are coming, make sure they are with ammunition. There are some touts. Some area boys here, in fact, unknown gunmen, hoodlums everywhere. They are here trying to harass everybody here. So please send them and come and clear all these people here.
Amadika.
I want to stay now. No, come.
Come on, they are unknown gunmen, they are prepared. In fact, are you going? Are you still there? No, just go inside. Make sure you come out with your dirty nose. Manager, you can now continue from here. Tell the people, tell everyone that Batola is here. Batola has arrived.
Yes. Our club is set.
Testing the mic 1 2. Testing the mic 1 2. Yes. Hello, everybody. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hear me clear.
Come, let's go and marry.
We are live and direct at Batos Hotels and Club. Ebi heli na man. Ebe ogbanje na aba. Ebe Dorime, where Dorime is happening. Where Amina is happening.
Now Dorime is not for civil servant. We want Ego Dorime. Make them bring Ego Dorime.
Hello, he said Dorime is not for civil servant. That Ebe Ego Dorime kaneri. If you don't have Ego Dorime, I mean a bunch of money, dollars. Don't come to Batos Hotels and Clubs.
Correct.
Because here we have different kinds of dishes. We have intercontinental dishes.
Assorted.
We have local dishes.
Yeah,
we have turkey.
Plenty.
We have pomo. We have oburoko.
Amino plenty.
Okay, we have Amino the plenty. We have it all around. We have whiskeys. We have beers. We have anything.
Babes.
Okay, babes. We have babes. We have the cuckoo caterpillar. Morning come up Monero. All of them are here. They are here left and right.
Tell them that Batu Hotel and Club is now the best. Very soon, TIGANA will be our boy.
Batu Hotels and Club is the best in this town. Very, very soon, TIGANA will be answering us. Sir, yes. What can we do for you? Sir, can I clean your shoe? Sir, come. We will talk to one boy. TIGANA will be small boy like me, our boy. Will be our boy. So here, everything is in quantity.
Very, very
in big.
Very, very gigantic.
See, wherever you are, carry your girlfriend, come. Carry anybody. No more credit.
Not ego civil servant.
Not
civil servant. No, they should not bring ego salary, ego civil servant. They should bring ego Yahoo, ego Mpepe.
Listen to me. Don't ever call my number again, okay? If you don't have anything good to say, don't call me. I don't have time for silly conversations. Don't call me again. Broadcast niggas. Hello? Who is this? Who?
Oh, who's this? It's Odinaka, your baby.
Oh my god! Odinaka, you're back?
I flew into Lagos yesterday, and right now I'm in the village.
You mean you're in this village?
Just to see you. You can't beat that.
Oh, you're so romantic. I love you, baby.
I love you so much.
So tell me, where are you right now?
You know this new hotel in town, La Wazico? That's where I am.
Okay, I'll be with you. I'll be with you right now. I'm coming.
Okay, I can't wait to see you. I got to your favorite.
Oh, you're so sweet. Don't worry, I'll be with you in a jiffy.
I know. I miss you so much, Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so
Oh my goodness! Ah! Odinaka is back! Ah! Oh my goodness! Oh! Wow! Go get hey, I'm coming down. We're going down. Hey. Ooh, hey. What is it? Mommy, I am so happy. I feel like I'm on top of the world.
Alright. Now tell me. I can see it. What's going on?
Mom, you know that American guy I told you about? He just arrived. Yes.
Hold on. The one from this town?
Yes, Odinaka. He came all the way from America to see me. Now let me tell you this. Mommy, we met on Facebook and then we started chatting. Suddenly he said he's in love with me. But I was like, one of the usual lies that guys tell. But then, he's here! He came all the way from America to see me.
Hold on. And you are dressed to go and see him?
Yes, Mom.
To see him?
Of course.
Like this? I hope you are wearing panty.
Mom!
Now calm down. Why don't you ask him to come over to this place instead?
Mom, no. So that Daddy will embarrass him for me. No, let me go see him face to face. And then after.
Adora, I need you to be very careful. Should anything happen to you now, it is me that your father will blame. Yes.
Mommy, nothing will happen to me. All the places I've been going to, did you escort me?
Alright, chill. You don't sound like you are too desperate. Come on, girl.
Yes, Mom, I am desperate. And he is desperately in love with me. Ow! I am such a lucky girl. Adora. God.
You will not leave this house like this, oh.
Mommy, are you going to tie me? My bag! I'm coming. Adora, you are too much. Babe, where's Sabi? I'm such a lucky girl. Oops. Okay, let me snap a selfie. Oops. I look so good. Odinaka, here I come.
I miss you so much. Look at you. Hold up. Wait.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. I miss my baby. How are you? Let's go inside. You look sweet.
Wow.
My baby.
I'm so glad to see you.
I know glad to see you. Look at how beautiful you look. I want to rush you. Come on. You're going to rush
Batola Bato.
Get na worker. Baba. Odogu himself. Frank Azamoke. Odogu the man na apia busy finger. Baba. Busy finger. Okay. Ana apia zamana bazamzam. Look at the now look at me. If I had started this hotel and club business earlier before now, I would have been competing with TIGANA. Now look at me. And I was busy wasting my time with those useless, poor, wretched tenants. Now who could not even pay their rent after the first year.
Baba,
okay.
You know the sweetest thing? One of my friends that started this hotel business. Omo, the guy don't hammer.
Yeah, you don't mean it.
When I tell you hammer, real money.
But in this club and hotel business, Nigeria the main rappers thing. Ego na-akpọ asa.
That means
Ego up and
I am on
Ndị mmadụ a na-ele Diana. You are on point right now. I'm telling you the fact.
If any na do go work please. Man, I won't keep back on your or bulunze. Nya nze no bia. You need something else? There's not even more meat today. Frank, what's happening? There's no meat on your plate.
Don't worry.
What is this useless? Manager! I don't know. That guy is too dumb. I like him. Will you come here? No. When I call you, you move your body like it might be like a man.
Shut up! What do you mean by Can't you answer, sir?
Sorry, sir.
When I call you, you run like a mad dog. Nah, mad tiger. Man is talking.
Sorry. Okay. Don't be angry. What can I do for you?
You are there and there is no meat on the plate and you ask me a question. Can you see enough meat on this plate? My friend, will you take that plate and refresh the meat?
Oh, guy is talking. Be fast.
No problem.
Oh yeah. Nekwa for you. Nena for you. All these village boys. Agwa fi odogu me wa bulo odogu. One day bulo odogu. Nah, look at him.
Who is still keeping him?
I'm coming,
Mugu! Get!
I don't know what that one is.
All these village boys. We have money like this. No, we don't like our time being wasted.
Chief, you know there's a general saying that you don't come to the house of a king empty-handed. So I came with this. Thank you. Thank you.
So, whose son are you?
I'm the son of Chief Mbakwe from Umudara.
Mbakwe. Umudara. The one who used to trade in Aba and later moved his business to Lagos?
Yes, sir, you're correct.
Very hard-working man. Esbo Mado. And you live in America?
Yes, I've been in America for a while now.
That's wonderful. Huh? You and my daughter are a perfect match. Yes, you see, when we were in Lagos, many men, engineers, doctors, lawyers, architects were coming for her hand in marriage. But I said, no. she must marry from our stock. Because Anyuabundibo were a special people. Yeah? And it has happened like that.
Thank you very much, Chief. Myself and your daughter, we really love ourselves genuinely.
I see. Well, it's like I said, it's wonderful. Huh? It's a thing that is approved. You have my consent already. Because, see that my daughter?
Yes, sir.
She's a beauty queen. Very wonderful. In fact, between you and me, you know, as men, anytime they come to look for her here, I don't allow all these antelopes and elephants to corrupt her. She's still a virgin. Very good. So you are a very lucky man.
I'm very happy, Chief.
Who wouldn't be? You are going to be, are you not aware you are going to be the son-in-law of the Igwe of the town?
She told me that. She told me that.
Do you know what it means to be married to a daughter of an Igwe? A princess. But you see, you have to be very fast. Each time I'm coming out of these premises, I'll see cars, exotic cars parked. Onye Kavanacho, Adora, Umakokalia. So, this goods non aside. If you waste time, Onyoza Welia, Emengwa, Emegalodachi.
No, I won't do that. Chief, see, I'll call with my family, my kingsmen, in 2 weeks' time. I believe that is not much of time.
Emengwa, Emegalodachi, you must be fast about it. My daughter was on a site.
Thank you very much, Chief.
You go to Lesbos and Abem.
Thank you, Chief.
It's good to know that young people like you are doing well in America. You have to talk to your daughter seriously. If she allows this golden opportunity to miss, it will be like the proverbial snail picked by the blind man. If she misses this young man because of her bad character, she will remain in this house with you and me forever.
My daughter doesn't have a bad character.
Sorry. Like mother, like daughter.
Oh, like daughter, like father, you mean? Why is it that when a child is bad, automatically it will become her mother's fault? But when that child is good, oh, it's her father's.
That is your business. I have done my bit as a father. You saw how I praised her, packaged her, promoted her, that even the devil was saying, is that Adora they're describing? I played my part very well. If she goes there to expose herself, she will come back to you.
Oh, to tie praise, I've heard you. Thank you.
Mom!
Now listen to me. There's something I want to tell you. Very important. You know, this world we live in is full of evil and envy. Please, keep this information low as possible. Alright? Yeah, you know, till he finally marries you. That's it. You know, your fellow girls, those hovering around you, claiming to be your friends. Before you know it, they would want to take this man away from you. And I wouldn't want that.
Mom, no damn girl can try that. Take my Odinaka from me. Did you know how I got him? Well, oh, come on.
Well, I'm just trying here to give you motherly advice. They gossip a lot here. Believe me, before you know it, you know, they will start telling him this and that about you, and I wouldn't want that.
Mom, you're right about this. You won't believe that stupid girl, Adana. She has been asking me silly questions.
Hey, Holania. Have you seen it? Did you tell me this before now? Which is why you need to be very careful. Extremely careful.
It's okay, Mom. I will keep it on the low until I get the ring. And then they will know that Adora has arrived.
Mama.
They will not say level past level. Mom, you know your daughter now. See the horse.
I trust you. Keep talking to him nicely. Be nice to him. You know what I'm talking about.
It's okay, Mom.
Just, do not boast of anything. Don't.
It's okay, Mom. It's under control.
And I wouldn't want you to argue with him. Just like the way your father used to argue with me.
Mom, no problem. I will handle him. Mom, I love you.
I love you much more.
You are a good mother.
Say it again.
You're a good mother. Okay. Take this one, Take Obodi. Odinaka gave me $4,000. That's like more than what my stingy dad has given to me my entire life. Goodness.
Don't mind your stingy daddy. Hold on. 4,000 US dollars. Yeah. Nekute 4,000.
Yes.
And you're just giving me this? Oops. My daughter, can't you see? You look somehow like your father in stinginess.
Okay, I think I'll have to take it back.
Oh no.
No, give me back.
No.
Have you seen this kind of money before? Has your stingy husband ever given you this sort of money?
Do not mind your daddy. I told you he's blessed with stinginess.
Super stingy, Mom.
Extremely, and you look like him.
Anyways, have forgiven Dad for coordinating himself the way he did in presence of Odinaka. Mom, I was super surprised. He said so many nice things about me that I am a good girl.
But that's how it should be.
I'm a good girl.
You are indeed a good girl. You are just like your mother. In beauty, stinginess, like your
Mom,
father.
I'm not stingy. You know what? If you keep being good, more dollars for you. I will. Don't be like that.
Get out.
That man is stingy. Stingy. Adora you too much. Adora you this scatter place. Hey God. Hey. American husband. Who dares me?
My daughter is having her traditional wedding on 10th of next month. I want you to make sure all the preparations are top-notch. Can you handle it?
Yes, I can handle it. I'm a professional event planner.
Good. My friends are coming from all over the world. America, India, China, Bangladesh, Singapore, Sweden. So, I want it to be bigger than that deal. This small boy, Emeka TIGANA, who you people saw and thought you had seen anything. Now you see the real money flying from up to down. Don't disappoint me.
Yes, I won't disappoint you.
Okay. We don't have time, so let's get on with it.
Alright, sir. I have the deal here with me.
You want to pardon? Okay. $3.5 million.
Yes, sir. That is the price.
For what? Are you the one to buy the food and drinks?
Sir, I'll be the one to provide the cooling van, the canopies, chairs, and other accessories.
Madam, this is too much now. Calm down.
Alright, sir. I can only come down to 3.4 million naira.
Madam. Look at 3.4 million naira. Event planning. K4. What is there in event planning? Is it not to put ice block here, put canopy here, buy drink, put it, call food people? I'm also an event planner. Look, madam, if you are not taking 200,000 naira, forget it. I mean, this is a joke.
Sir, that is the last price. 3.4 million naira.
Last price?
Yes, sir.
You can go. What nonsense? You can take 200,000 naira, forget it. I'll go, I'll do it myself. I'm never an element, right? You can go, please. You don't Can you event planning? Got 10 money. Got 10 minutes. One day they shiri. Okay, shall I say it? Yeah? I was even too generous with 200,000 naira.
Hello. Are you done with my dad?
Yeah, we are done. But he said the bill I gave him is much, that he's just going to pay 200k.
Madam, please, pay no attention to my dad. My husband has provided all the money. He just wants to pocket it and ruin my wedding. That's not possible. No. Come in. Let's talk to him.
I don't think I will continue with this. No.
Come on, madam. It's my wedding. Money is not the problem. Let's go in and I will talk to him. And if he still insists, I will call my husband. Let's go in.
Emeka, you cannot use and dump me. No! I will resist by all and any means.
This is not a case of using and dumping anyone. Our relationship is no longer working and you know it.
How is the relationship not working? Tell me! Oh, so because I refuse to serve you as a housemaid, therefore the relationship is not working, right?
It's not the problem. We are not compatible. Alright? We don't share the same values, we don't share the same thinking, we don't share anything. Nothing. And then we quarrel virtually all the time, every day. Okay, look at it right now. We're just coming from a function. Okay, it's supposed to be a romantic function for couples. But look at what you're doing. You're already nagging. You're quarreling. Can we just end this thing before somebody kills the other person?
No problem. If you're going to break up with me, you're going to compensate me with at least half of your net worth for wasting my time.
Excuse me? Half of what?
Yes, you heard me right.
Half of my net worth? What are you talking about? Are we married?
Oh, so we have to be married before you compensate me, right?
I know the law. There's no such compensation for a fiancé. There isn't.
I built this business with you. And you think you can just throw me out?
Excuse me? What business are you talking about? My business or your father's business? Huh? Let me remind you, Quinette, that before we got close, before we became intimate, you were my legal advisor. And every legal work that you did for my company, you were paid up till this moment. Never owed for one day. And then I bought you a car worth over 10 million naira. Is it a lie? I've been paying your very high rent, high maintenance in our Galati monument. What the bloody rubbish are you talking about?
That's enough. You want to break up with me, right?
Yes.
You want to break up? Fine. Just stop recounting those nonsense. That's enough. I'm done. Nonsense.
It was never going to work. We are so incompatible. There's no way I'll live with this for the rest of my life. There's no way I'll live with this all the days of my life. It's better she leaves. Let her go.
No say Dorime, no be possible, sir. Yes. Where are the drinks and the meat I asked you to bring for me?
Oga, I cannot supply another drinks and meats here.
Why?
Actually, you are owning the company a huge amount of money.
Me?
Yes, sir. Oga, sorry. Look at this list now. This list is something you and your friend consume under the space of 1 week. Ngwongwo, that is pepper soup, 50,000 naira. Toke, 80,000 naira. Oporoko, that one is 35,000. Beer is 55,000. In fact, spirit And the total bill here is 350,000 naira. In fact, including the ones some guests will come and collect things in your name. So, that one alone is 80,000 naira.
Yes, you're very stupid. Some girls came here and collected something in my name. And you gave it to them without collecting money?
Okay, I always come and seek permission from you. Anytime I came here and seek for your permission, and you ask me, as long as they are guests, not be here or something like that, I should give them. Sir, in fact, neighbor no need back. Neighbor, that you're on top of money. So that is the thing, no?
You are a lousy manager.
Eh?
You are a very stupid manager.
Hey.
Even if I say give them, can't you use your senses? What kind of a manager like you? What makes me? Oh my God! What makes you my manager?
Okay. Eh? Wait a minute. If they ask you to bring, you bring. If they ask you to water, you water.
Imagine.
And I say when they bring that bell.
Then what makes you a manager?
What makes you a manager?
I'm
sorry. I'm sorry.
You idiot, bunch of idiots.
Eh?
Mumu tete, mumu far back, ifebo.
Hey, okay.
Sorry for your You know what? One of these days, I will kick you out of this place. I'll kick you. Come on, you guys get for me the things I need that I said you bring for me.
Okay. How about the money of this one? Can you pay me now?
Mr. Man, what's wrong with this man? What's wrong with this man? Will you go? Why did you kick you up on your ala? Look at this useless guy. In my own company,
What are the
my whole hard-earned money.
Africa salary this month, how you do? What are the
If care is not taken, if I do not take it proper, look at this very guy. He's going to want this.
Mr. Man, when are you paying? Kick his ass off.
Onyamala don't even have love for civil servants.
Amaro, he doesn't know, man. Amaro.
Where is he now? Thank you for the call.
Thank you very much for the caller. My brother, or better still, my son, please do not be offended that I'm back to you on the same issue. Our people say that where a child is crying and pointing fingers, if his mother is not there, his father must be there. You will not like what will become of our town if Akukalia becomes the next Igwe. You will regret not accepting this offer. Akukalia is a wicked man. In fact, a direct opposite of you.
I don't even know what to say. I've already received Akukalia's invitation card, and if I'm not mistaken, the ceremony should be holding in maybe a month or so. So, how do we change things? What's this talk about?
Akukalia can distribute invitation cards even to the president. But we are to decide if it will happen or not.